guys, today I'm gonna show you how to take ultra wide pictures with any smartphone. Right here I do have an Android phone, but of course I'm also using my iPhone to take ultra wide pictures, and the tricky part here is to use the panorama shots. I'm sure that many of you don't use panorama shots, but today you'll use it. Now let me show you how to take it. And here I have my iPhone, and now I'm gonna try to take a picture of this huge building. It's very huge and very wide, so I'm gonna try it first to take a vertical picture with my phone to try to get as much as possible space as I can, and then I'll try the panorama mode and see what is the difference.
I'm shooting vertical because it's more popular, we all know that. I'll show you in the upcoming shots horizontal style as well, and you'll see yourself the difference. Here I have my two pictures I took. Now crop your picture to 4:3 factor, or you can choose among other formats like 3:2, 5:3 or even 16:9. It depends on your preference. Oh well, look at that. How wide is that? Super nice. I took this other one inside. Let's check the difference. Here I have cropped the panorama picture to 3:2 and looks super duper nice.
I'm gonna give you two advices. One tip would be to stay in the line, the traction. The quality of the picture will be so nice if you keep traction of the line and keep it steady and slow and nice. So make sure not to be fast and not to lose traction.
Look at this other one. I was in the metro station, and of course I took a horizontal picture and also a panorama, and look how sweet it compares. I mean, the panorama takes your heart. I mean, this ultra wide picture right here from panorama is super nice.
Tip number two, don't make like full panoramas, don't go like 360, because as much as you stretch out the picture, when you do that 4:3 factor or 5:3 factor, the picture will just get the same as a regular picture. So you need to make it as wide as you want and then just crop it, and it will be very wide.
Here's another one. Look at those two top windows on the right. Amazing. Again, you can look yourself these other examples. The difference is so huge. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and I'll post a lot of ultra wide pictures and give you other tips as well.
And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Now go out there, use this panorama feature and shoot those ultra wide pictures with your phone without having the need for Samsung Galaxy S10. I'm Henry. Have a good one. Peace.